Solid state, imperfections in solid. Crystal defects are classified as follows: point defect, line defect, interstitial effect, volume defect. The concentrating on point defect, more specifically, the defect of point defects are further classified as stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect, and impurity defect. Stoichiometric defects are Schottky and Frankel defect. Non-stoichiometric defect are metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Stoichiometric defect, Schottky defect, arises due to the missing of equal number of cation and anion from the crystal lattice. Does not affect the stoichiometry of the crystal. Ionic solid in which the cation and anion are almost similar size exhibit Schottky defect. Example is sodium chloride. Presence of large number of Schottky defect alter the density of the crystal. For example, vanadium monoxide, the expected crystal density is 6.5 grams centimeter power minus 3, but estimated density is 5.6 grams centimeter power minus 3 due to Schottky defect, missing up of ions from the lattice point. Next one is Frankel defect, stoichiometric defect, Frankel defect. Frankel defect arises due to the dislocation of ions from the crystal lattice. The missing ion present in the interstitial position. Here the cation and anion differ in size. It does not alter the density as it is present in the interstitial position itself. Example of Frankel defect is silver bromide. The next one is metal excess defect. Metal excess defect arises due to the presence of more number of metal ion, cation as compared to the anion. Alkali metal halide, sodium chloride and potassium chloride shows metal excess defect. Here the electrical neutrality of the crystal maintained by the presence of anionic vacancy is equal to the excess of metal ion or by the presence of cation and electron present in the interstitial position called F centers. Metal deficiency defect. Metal deficiency defect, the non-stoichiometric defect, arises due to the presence of less number of cation as compared to the anion. This defect observed in a crystal which cation have variable oxidation state. In FeO crystal, Fe2 plus ion missing from the lattice to maintain that twice the number of Fe2 plus ion in the crystal oxidized to Fe3 plus. So overall number of Fe2 plus Fe3 plus ion less than that of O2 minus ion. What is impurity defect? General introduction of defects in ionic solids by adding the impurities. By example, the cadmium chloride is added to the silver chloride crystal.